Everyone thinks the Industrial Revolution lifted humanity equally. It created the exact opposite. Between 1760 and 1840, steam engines didn't just power looms, they rewired who owned what. A textile merchant in Manchester could suddenly produce in weeks what took artisans months. But here's the part nobody emphasizes: that merchant kept the profits. The weavers, replaced. That's not progress, that's capital consolidation dressed up as innovation. Exhibit 1. Factory owners like Robert Owen and Josiah Wedgwood amassed estates on the backs of 12-hour workdays for children. Their wealth compounded, reinvested into more mills, more machines, more control. A factory hand earned subsistence. An owner built dynasties. The gap didn't close, it weaponized. Exhibit 2. The incentive structure was transparent and brutal. Own the means of production, you kept the surplus. Sell your labor, you got paid just enough to return tomorrow. Nobody in this story was stupid. Everyone understood exactly what they were paid to see. Exhibit 3. New wealth categories emerged overnight. Railway barons, coal magnates, steel lords. These weren't inherited titles, they were manufactured fortunes built in decades, impassable without machines and disposable labor. But here's what's crucial: that new money had nowhere to go but up. It concentrated. The middle class expanded, managers, engineers, accountants emerged to run these empires. But the bottom, the gap between a factory owner and a factory worker in 1840, dwarfed the gap in 1740. Technology didn't democratize wealth. It turbocharged the machinery of disparity. By 1850, industrialized nations had created a permanent underclass and a permanent overclass, separated not by birth alone but by access to capital. The Industrial Revolution didn't create new forms of wealth. It created new forms of control and made inequality look like progress. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research. Subscribe for the untold economics behind how fortunes are built and who pays the real cost. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research.